Are you struggling with smooth scrolling in your React applications? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to handle scroll animations the right way in React. I totally get it. Smooth scrolling enhances user experience, but manipulating the DOM directly in React can feel like walking a tightrope. It's a common challenge for many developers. Here's the question we're tackling today. One user asked, what is the correct way of dealing with scroll position in React? They love smooth scrolling but are unsure how to implement it without breaking React's rules. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is this a problem? In React, directly changing the scroll top value can lead to unexpected behavior. We need a solution that respects React's principles while achieving that smooth scroll effect. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick that will make your scrolling animations even smoother. To handle smooth scrolling in React, the user should first create a reference to the element they want to scroll. This can be done using the useRef hook, which allows React to manage the reference without directly manipulating the DOM. Next, the user should implement a function that smoothly scrolls to the desired position. This can be achieved using the scroll into view method, which provides a smooth scrolling effect. After that, the user can attach this function to a button click event. This way, when the button is clicked, the page will smoothly scroll to the referenced element. Finally, the user should ensure that the referenced element is properly rendered in the component. This will allow the smooth scrolling effect to work as intended. Fun fact, did you know that the first web pages were just plain text? Now we can create smooth animations with just a few lines of code. How far we've come. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a custom hook called useSmoothScroll2. This hook allows you to smoothly scroll to an element when its ID is referenced in the URL hash. To use this hook, simply bind it to a section component and reference the ID in an anchor link. This way, clicking the link will trigger the smooth scroll effect. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach to handling scroll animations in React is to use existing packages. One recommended package is React Scroll, which simplifies the process of smooth scrolling. You can find it on GitHub along with a demo link. Another option is React Scroll to Component, which allows you to scroll to specific components easily. These packages can save you time and effort in implementing smooth scrolling. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative approach to handling scroll animations in React involves using libraries designed for scrolling to anchors. The choice of library depends on your specific needs and the structure of your page. One option is React Scrollable Anchor, a lightweight library that scrolls to anchors linked to URL hashes and updates the URL hash based on the focus section. The author of this library recommends it. Another option is React Scroll, which is more feature-rich but does not reflect location in the URL. If you're using React Router, consider React Router Hashlink Scroll, which integrates with URL hashes. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using the scroll to dock component from the React Router website. This component effectively translates a typical vanilla.js smooth scroll function into React. It utilizes the React Motion library for smooth animations. Here's a pro tip. Always use React's refs for direct DOM manipulations. This keeps your code clean and maintains the integrity of your React components. And there you have it. You now know how to handle scroll animations in React without breaking the rules. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.